Think and answer. Touch. Banana, proof, mouse, keyboard, promo, woman don't touch. Cherry, solution, cat, screen, discount, girl. Can you guess what determines whether a word is touch or don't touch? Let me repeat it. Touch. Banana, proof, mouse, keyboard, promo, woman, don't touch. Cherry, solution, cat, screen, discount, girl. Can you guess what determines whether a word is touch or don't touch? And the answer is, while pronouncing the words that make your lips touch belong to the touch category, others belong to don't touch category. Here's how. The sounds for letters P, B, M are called bilabial, that are a type of sound that are made with both lips. Think and answer. In the exchange below, George is the one organizing the trip and the one who knows which items the rest are allowed to bring. George: I will take my guitar with me. What do you want to take? Sam: Can I take an umbrella with me? George: No, you cannot take an umbrella, but you can take some sunscreen. Helen: Can I take a scarf with me? George: No, you cannot take a scarf, but you can take a hat. Can you guess what the rules of the game are? And the answer is, first letter of the item should be same as first letter of the name. Here's how. Thus, George can take a guitar, Sam can take sunscreen, and Helen can take a hat. Think and answer. Find a 7-letter sequence to fill in each of the 3 empty spaces and form a meaningful sentence. The fill-in-the-blank continuous word surgeon was, fill in the blank, 2 words, 3 letters and 4 letters, to operate, because there was, fill in the blank, 2 words, 2 letters and 5 letters. And the answer is, the sequence is NOTABLE. Here's how. The complete sentence would be, the notable surgeon was not able to operate because there was no table. Think and answer. Turn me on my side, and I am everything. Cut me in half, and I am nothing. What am I? Let me repeat it. Turn me on my side, and I am everything. Cut me in half, and I am nothing. What am I? And the answer is the digit 8. Here's how. If you turn it on its side, you will get the symbol infinity. If you cut it in half horizontally, you will get the number 0.